everybody, welcome back and thank you for joining me today. Today is Sunday, September 20th and it's my birthday. It's late at night. It is, let's see, 7:30, but you're watching this and it's Monday. And if you're in Australia, it's probably Tuesday, I think. But anywho, I'm recording this video at night because you all know I can't record during the day anymore. So it's been a fun-filled day. Thank you to everybody who wished me a happy birthday on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, through email. It's you guys are the best. I think last I checked, my Instagram post had over 350 comments. I can't even keep up. So you guys are so sweet. Thank you so much for the birthday wishes. I feel so special. And for those of you who commented on Instagram, I said, let's play a little game and guess my age. If you guys are longtime viewers of mine, you would know that I had my big 4-0 last year, so which makes me 41 this year. I don't know if I did that right, 41. I'm 41. I feel so old. No, I don't. It's just a number. Honestly, as long as I feel good, I'm happy, I'm healthy, age is just a number. So happy birthday to me. There's a lot of people who had birthdays as well, who told me that it was their birthdays or their family's birthday, a sibling or a daughter or a son. Happy birthday to all of you. And just happy birthday to everybody who's celebrating yesterday, today, tomorrow, whenever. Okay, so the last video I did was a commission piece, but the one before that was the creamy peach. And I showed you guys the second color palette that I wanted to do, and you guys, everyone voted and, you know, was definitely put it in the comments and let me know you guys wanted to see the second color palette. So that's what we're doing today. I don't have any dry pieces to show you. And again, it's nighttime, so can't show you guys pieces out in the sun when there's no sun. I got a lot of resining to do. I still have to resin all of those, and there's more on this side of the wall. A lot of people keep asking me about this thing. Everyone keeps asking me about where this was purchased from. It's not purchased anywhere. My sweet dad made it for me last year, and there are no measurements. There are no blueprints. Basically what I did was I gave my dad an Artist Loft bottle. I gave him squeeze bottles. I gave him, not squeeze bottles, sorry, the 2 paints. And I said, these are the paints that need to go on the shelves. So measure them that way with height and depth and have at it. So my dad kind of does things on the fly. He doesn't really have blueprints or measure things or anything like that. So I don't have any measurements, but my dad made that. You can't buy it anywhere. No, he cannot make you any. He's super swamped. And to ship that anywhere would be stupendously expensive. Okay. Don't forget, calendars are still up for grabs. Where are we? September. So a couple more months until 2021. But let me see if I can flip this the right way. You get a calendar with 12 of my prints. They are $45 Canadian plus $20 shipping if you're in the US or Canada. If you think that's expensive, so be it. Keep in mind you're getting 12 prints for free. Well, not for free, but for $45. So I don't think it's expensive, but I had a few people say it was, so I can't help you. It cost me money to make it, so, you know, but that's what it is. 45 plus 20 shipping in the US. I do ship worldwide. If you live outside of Canada or the US and you want one, shoot me an email, kanellaciraco@gmail.com, and we can figure out the shipping for you. Okay, so I'm going to stop blabbing. That's it. I don't have anything else to say. Krystal Resin is now shipping to the US. If you are interested in trying resin and trying Krystal Resin, you can check it out at krystalresin.com. The information is in the description below, and you can save 5% off the resin. It's currently on sale on the website, and then you can save another 5%. In a little short while, the pigments will be also available so that you can color your resin. So that will be available soon. And when I get that info, I will let you guys know right away. So Kanella 5 for 5% off Krystal Resin. And don't forget Lolivefe. If you want to buy silicone mats, these awesome squeeze bottles, anything else, silicone molds, all that fun stuff. Oh, I did the teddy bear. I wanted to show you. Can I reach it? when I come back, and I'll show you guys the teddy bear. But if you want to purchase anything off the Lolivefe website, you can get 10% off using code Kanella10, 10% off the entire website, okay? So I think that's all I have to say for now. I'm gonna get the canvas ready and we're gonna get started. Be right back. This thing needs 5 seconds before it can start working, so I'll be right back. All right, guys, welcome back. Now, before I get started, I want to show you guys really quickly. Here's my little teddy bear. So this is the teddy bear I made with the silicone mold. This is from Lolivefe. You put them upside down, you fill them up with resin, and then you peel it off and you get this cute little guy. So I had some leftover resin from something I was doing, and I poured it in the mold, and then there you go. How cute is he? He's so cute. And you can obviously make them different colors if you pour resin in it halfway and then let it dry and then put another layer, let that dry. So super, super cute. So you can get that mold and all kinds of other molds, Lolivefe's website, and save 10% off. All right, so what we have here is an 18, this is running out of butane. She's dying. All right. Back up. So what was I saying? Oh, 18 by 24 inch canvas, and I'm just popping all the bubbles. I thought I would try a different, gosh, are all my stuff, this guy's running out of butane too. Oops, my battery's dying. It says low battery. I hope I have enough to do this video, then that's really gonna suck. Oh my goodness, things aren't going right here. Oh, I'm running out. I could have swore I just filled these guys the other day. Holy smokes, what is going on? Dead as a doornail. Oh well, I got all the bubbles, that's all that matters. That's crazy. Okay, 18 by 24, base color is Titan Mars Pale by Golden. All right, and then here I have the white Artist Loft Flow acrylic paint mixed with Floetrol and water to get the ratios of the white paint and the squeeze bottles. Check out video number 63. I will link it up at the top for you. The golden I mixed just a little bit differently because golden paints are so thick, so highly pigmented, you don't need that much more paint. So same ratio with Floetrol, same ratio with water, but I took about maybe 5 grams or so out, maybe even a little bit more with the paint. So just play with that golden a little bit if you're using golden paints. Colors I am using today are 24 karat gold by DecoArt. And then I have copper by Artist Loft. I have metallic cobalt blue by Artist Loft. And I am going to use that red oxide. So this is red oxide also by Golden. All right. And I'm going to put it in this order. Now, a lot of people ask me if there's a certain way I put my paints in order. So the color I want to show the most, I'm going to put last. It's going to be the color that's going to go on top last. That's the color I want to show most. So I'm putting the Artist Loft blue last. So actually I'm going to put it that way and that way and that way and that way. And then, so since these two colors are similar, I'm not putting them together. If you have 2 shades of blue, but then a purple, a green, and a yellow, don't put the 2 blues together, separate them. That's basically how I determine how to put my colors down. So a lot of people have been asking me that, so I hope that's helpful. And let's start. I don't know if this color is going to be any good. I have no clue, but we're going to try it anyway because I just want to see. It looks great with this cream color, so we'll see how it turns out. And now we have the 24 karat gold, followed by, yeah, see the copper is way different from the red oxide. And finally, the metallic cobalt blue, which is such a pretty color. And I loaded that one on. I totally loaded that one on. All right, let's pop the bubbles really quick. If I have enough butane. This is crazy. I can't believe I don't have enough butane in all 3 of my torches. How crazy is that? She's dying. Dead. Totally dead. Oh, yeah. Okay, that's fine though, because I don't need it anymore. All right, colors are down. Let's blow it out. So what I'm gonna do is I'm probably gonna blow in this way and then figure out the rest. But I want to blow into, yeah, I think so. Obviously I'm like backwards here, but let's go. Very thick, super duper thick. Ooh, I just blew everything off the table. Okay, but guys, I love it. The color is so, I love the metallic cobalt blue. Now, here was my issue, okay? I don't use golden paints, okay? This golden was gifted to me by a viewer. They're super duper expensive and they're also very thick. So clearly I need to play with my ratios when using this as a base paint. If I'm using it just as a strip of a line, it's not the end of the world because it mixes with all the other colors and it still flows pretty well. But if you're using it as a base color, I need to play with it some more because it was way thicker than what was going on this side with the white. Nonetheless, though, I am super thrilled with all of this. The only part I'm a little about is right here. My initial blowout, which was right here. And I'm just gonna see if I can fiddle with it just a little bit. I just want to break up the real solid, what is that? That red oxide, which by the way, I'm really liking a lot. And the cell action in here is insane. I'm going to get rid of that blue blob because it just doesn't belong. One of these things is not like the other. Didn't belong there. But when I bring you guys down for a close-up, you're really going to see how pretty this is. So let me just try and fix a few more things. Wow, I'm so glad you guys all voted to see this color palette because I'm super stoked about it. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to erase that white line right there with my finger. Don't be afraid to stick your finger in the paint while it's still wet. Don't do it when it's half dry because you're just going to end up with a big fingerprint. But while it's wet like this, you can definitely stick your finger in it. Not dig your finger into it, but just lightly touch the surface and you can manipulate the paint, which is super cool. I'm not touching any more of it. I'm not torching any more of it. I am going to bring you guys down for a close-up and I cannot wait for you guys to see how pretty this is up close. Be right back. And I'll show you guys with the studio lights on. And then of course, as usual, turn the studio lights off. Be right back. All right, guys, check it out. I'm so loving this piece. It's so soft, but yet has these bold colors in here, and the cells are just crazy. Now, tell me this red oxide isn't beautiful. It sure did turn out really pretty. So this, as I mentioned, is an 18 by 24-inch canvas. If you are interested in this piece, please email me at canellaciraco@gmail.com. Look at, I even really love the composition, and you can really turn it around anyway, actually. So actually, let's see. What if we went this way? So even this way, it looks so pretty. Oh, I like this composition. This is pretty. I like that. Or you can, let's go this way actually. Now I'm just playing with you guys. But this is pretty too. Don't mind the studio lights, but that's really neat too. Actually, I think I kind of like it this way in the vertical as opposed to the horizontal way. But either way, whoever buys it can put it the way they want. But either way, I love it. It's beautiful. If you're interested, canellaciraco@gmail.com. And let me turn the lights off and you guys will take a look at the beautiful shimmer that's happening. 1 second. All right, guys, check it out. I'm so happy with this piece. And I'm happy because it's my birthday and this piece turned out so pretty. So I'm gonna call this my birthday piece. Look at that shimmer though. So if you are watching and you are new to my channel, I would really love it if you would subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell. Check out my son Lucas. He's got his own channel as well. He does train videos, so check out his channel, Lucas Ciraco. And don't forget my pups, Juno and Echo, my husky dogs. They also have their own channel, so if you want to head over there and subscribe to their channel, I would greatly appreciate it. All the information is listed in the description below. Thank you to everyone who donated to my PayPal as a birthday gift. You guys are super duper sweet. I will mention names hopefully soon. I just can't keep up with everything that's going on with the construction. But I promise, just thank you to everybody who has been so generous to me, to my family, to my kids. For their birthdays. My birthday, Lucas's birthday is up in 7 days. Sophia's is coming up in a week and a half. You guys are the best. I love you guys and my kids love you guys. So thank you so much for your generosity. My Amazon links are listed in the description below as well. You can find all my supplies that I use on Amazon, like the spatula, the tripods, you know, everything I use, torches. Don't forget Lolivefe discount, Krystal resin discount. All that stuff is all in the description below. So let me know what you guys think about this piece in the comments below. And let me know what you guys think. If you're interested, you know what to do. And I think that's it because now I'm rambling. I don't think I know anything else. Renovation vlog on framing will be up hopefully within a week. I'm so excited. Walls are going to start going up, but walls are also coming down. You should see my kitchen before and after, you guys, before construction and after demolition. So that's going to be a very interesting one to see. So stay tuned for that. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Until the next video, have a good day, have a good night, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care. Bye.